Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Hope you will be fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, physics is para amik paro stream chapter karo start as introduction demo of that is work, energy and power. Work kya gayi, energy kya gayi, the power kya go in terms of physics. When we talk in terms of physics, what is work done and what is energy and what is power. Dear students, work क्या गई ओत पोर any pull or push पतमस चैप्टर्स फोर्स क्या गो ये कुन चीज इस पुल करो पुश करो या अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स करो कुन ऑब्जेक्ट्स अप्लाई स्विच पन चेंज पन पोजीशन करा गो ये इस फोर्स कुन चीजस पे अप्लाई करा छ इस ओत पोर तम फोर्स अप्लाई करने सहित unbalanced force apply करने से क्या तक force of friction air force system position change force है तम position te change कर force से कुन चीज motion te change कर force से कुन चीज अगर से rest मज motion मज अकिस अगर से motion मज आइनस तेल आइनस है rest मज आइनी पूरा details मज पे chapters मज force से कुन object shape te यानी shape te change कर When paro is as what is work? Whenever a force makes a body to move, then work is said to be done. Go yell ka force. Queen body. Temis must change and temis change of state of motion carries. Temis move carries. Go eshwana yell tim move temis kur tel gai that work is said to be done. Yell tim temis kum so. This force apply course some body dead body change it its position. This one of work is said to be done at kum. Go whenever a force makes a body move, then work is said to be done. Yell ka force कोई body most months aim इस वाला अच्छा सा की न की kum. For example, when we push a log of wood, the log moves from its stationary position. Here work is said to be done. Yel is kunjai log of wood. Zin टुकड़ पत्थर आसान छ या कहाँ चीज पत्थर आसान छ yel is तथ push करा छ सो छ आके जाय पे बेगी जाय इस तुला इस वना at तम कर change पनी position we can see work has been at as a kum. We can log of wood. This is book here. This is book. मैं तुल ये थोड़ throw योकन this. I change this and the here. Here, this book was in stationary position. मैं तुझे अपना थोड़ा त्रम हो करम इमेज position change. किम सेटन येल में आठ force apply कोर टूटा force के यूस gravitational pull सिट कोरम overcome. बाकी उस friction सिट करम over air. ये तुझ में ये त्रम देखस जाए किताब. इस तरह फिक्री तेले आठ here work has been done. You in moving this book or this pen from this place to this place. Or use it force, we can say in moving this pen from this place to this place, work has been done and work is said to be done. Is there any distance covered by the objective for apply any distance covered by the objective for applied force? The one Yale has applied force and displacement produced. Is there any distance? बिल्कुल. Yell is force apply कुन चीज़ करा छ. Yell से पानी change work done. तिम वो लोग work done मंच that means displacement ते गसा. तो क्या इसे च पानी एक initial position पे biggest position पे वाता. A freely falling body downwards. Here force applied downwards and work is done. Yell freely falling body is under the force of gravitational force of earth. Sishwasabun at the work has been done. A body projecting upwards, agar body is full lagaon against the force of gravity, work is done here against the force of gravity. That is work gasan. Kya is project kara body sure temis position ga change against the force of gravity. तो at this work gasan. A ball is moving on a rough plane, rough surface. And it's a plane ki ball is pakan. But moving on rough here force is applied or at this force is applied kara. Go kante body uses move karnas was is move is karachan that is force kara apply yani that work te gasan. Conditions for work to be done. Kum conditions you must say yim is one work gashi work as a gay. The force should be applied on the object. Godnethy gets work tell you object is ya ye force kar. Agar na force को span then other force apply करके tell gets the work ki there must be change in the position of object. Object is यानी अगर force कर apply इस application change करा position की tell te गई work की ये force apply कर गसी पानी position change कर. Work work is defined and work is defined as a product of force and displacement in the direction applied force. अगर ये product force कोता लगो में कोता displacement in the direction of force या कोई तो work ते calculate अच्छे का formula work is equal force into distance यानी कोता force कोरस apply तो कोता distance कर कोता displacement गई in the direction of force. W is equal force, F is work, F is equal force, S is equal displacement. It was introduction about work. Hope you have understood. After further was thank you.